Hi everyone, Deb here. I am here to introduce a new collab, open collab I'm going to try and participate in. And it is hosted by Polly's Pretties Coloring and Crafting. And it is called hashtag Straw Bear, spelled Beary, Strawberry Bliss. And I'll have the hashtag and the link to Polly's channel down below. It started May 1st, and there are prompts for each day, but clearly it's a cross between strawberries and bears. So, um, I have strawberry stuff. I actually had bought this, I think either late last year or the beginning of the year. This was a kit called Berry Fresh by Stamps by Me, and I think it was on sale on HSN like clearance or something, because it's probably from last year. So it came with a stamp set which has a little gnome guy. Too bad he doesn't look like a bear, but I thought I could at least use "Thank you very much" and "You're so sweet." The other ones don't really fit, but in the dies, there is a strawberry die and the little stemmy thing, so I can use them. I have from Stampin' Up, I have ink called Sweet Sorbet, which is a good color. Actually, that color is more like I'll probably use Poppy Parade and or Sweet Sorbet, but it looks like in this paper Poppy Parade matches their strawberries better. But the kit also came with this, all this glitter paper, and there is some red in there. I don't know if you can see it. So a whole pack of glitter card stock. And then it came with vellum. This is 8 by 8 inch vellum, 6 designs, 12 pages. Oops. And that's the first one. So I've probably shown these before. This one's just floral. I forget to use vellum, but some of these I might be using because they have strawberries. And that one, it has lemons on it too, but oh well. And then this one obviously would be good because it looks like I might punch some strawberries out of that actually, or something. And then the paper is here. It's also 8 by 8, and this is a nice heavy card I'll use for something else. I'd like to use this because, I have it. So this is just like the vellum, only it's paper. This strawberry paper here, 2 sheets of each. This one here, which I can cut out perhaps, some of them. That one I probably won't use because it's lemons. But this looks like strawberry lemonades, and it's got strawberries on it, so I might use some of that. And this one, which has strawberries. So yeah, I'm definitely going to be using this stuff. Now the question is, what am I going to make? A good question. I'm leaning towards altering a half-size composition book because there's another collab happening starting on May 15th, which is doing just that, altering a composition book. So I might make this a little composition book. My berry, it has to have enough pages obviously for the month, but I'm torn on the cover because there might be more pages than I need for more than 1 month, so I could do another collab in the same book. So we'll see. I'm not sure about the cover. So she has the prompts. She has an introduction video from like 6 days ago from today, which today is May 2nd. So today's the second day of it. And day one prompt was lace and bread ties. And guess what? She mentioned the plastic bread ties, but I had one of those. I threw it out accidentally. But I have two. I have some green twisty ties and this sort of coppery color, and I thought I could use a couple of them maybe. And I have tons of lace. And day two is ribbon and strawberries. So yeah. And then there's different ones. I printed this off her site. And then for bears, I don't have a whole lot. I have these three little bears, which are out of another Stamps by Me card kit I had bought that had some little critters in it. And I was holding my breath, and the bear was the last one I found. So it was a Create a Card kit. You can see there's a bunny right there, and there's like a penguin and kitty cat and a lion and a tiger, but they're all like little ones. But this is adorable, so I will use this because the only other bears I found is this teddy bear stamp and dies, which I'm not sure I ever used. Oh, yes, I did. I used the bear once. How about that? I also have a polar bear and coordinating punch just for this guy. And I have a strawberry builder punch, but I didn't find any stamp set to go with it. And the only other bears I have are Martha Makes Art's Teddy Bears book, which I haven't used yet. But the pictures are really big in here, so I think I'll stick with, plus I would need her permission if I wanted to color one and then shrink it to use in this project. So Martha, if you watch this, let me know. So yeah, that's my plans. I guess I need to get moving on it, and I'm not going to post every day because that would drive me absolutely insane, and I probably don't have time because my life doesn't just have this going on. But anyway, I love these actually. They're so cute. So they might show up 3 times in the book, maybe once on the cover. I don't know. So yeah, I like working with prompts. So I'm really I like almost all of these. Some of them will be challenges, but we can do it. We can do it. I know we can. Um, yeah, and there's some things in here that aren't strawberries or bears, like butterflies, tool, pipe cleaners. Why I forgot to check my washi to see if I have anything that might do. Anyway, that's it. Let me get started, and be sure to go check out Polly's Pretties Coloring and Crafting. If you'd like to play along, I already told you the hashtag. It'll be in the title, and her channel will be linked down below. And yeah, I look forward to seeing what everybody makes. Polly already showed her day one. Not sure I saw May 2nd yet, so go check her out and see. Okay, guys, take care. Hugs, love, and peace. See you soon.